Oh, thanks. Wow, it's Kyrie Irving. My favorite point guard.
Get to choose your drink? Oh my gosh. Go, 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 kuya! Go, go!
The latest one, the one that came out like yesterday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello guys.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Ah,
So do I blow?
what kind of?
Do I blow now? Oh. Thank you, y'all. Thank you, hey.
Birthday.
Wow, my surprise!
Oh, I got a Kyrie. Oh. Oh, thanks. Wow, it's Kyrie Irving. My favorite point guard. Wow, that's so cool. Thanks,
Is
Dad.
Carl nandyan, auntie?
Thanks, Dad.
Give me my
Nandito sila sa bar. Kuya will try. Get to choose your drink? Oh my gosh. Go, 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 kuya! Go, go!
That one's better than the one that you got.
Hey guys, we're here at Filipino restaurant. It's called INIHAW Avenue. There you go. Okay guys. Nandun na sila sa loob. Wear the mask to stay protected. Birthday boy. Hey, we're
You want belly, bangus belly buddy? The crispy pork sisig?
Opo.
Ano po yung difference ng original?
Original po is the one with liver.
Yan lumpia.
Yes.
Anong lumpia po? Burger soup, ano? Lumpia Shanghai?
What's the choices again?
Shanghai?
Shanghai.
Lumpia Shanghai?
Shanghai.
Anything else?
Okay, beef soup, nilagang baka.
Dude, you have some weird hair, bro.
Hawakan mo yung buhok o yung ulo niya para hindi maano.
Here's the appetizer. That's the vegetable lumpia.
I thought it was gonna look like this. But that's the
Alright, that's
Guys, we just finished eating. Look at this full or empty table. Yeah, pretty good. I'd say 4 out of 5 stars. Yeah. Pretty good.
These are the presents that I got for my parents and my brother. I got this glass shield for the phone, for the glass, so that if I drop it or anything, the glass will just absorb it instead of like the real glass phone like breaking. Got a clear case because why not, since I got the color blue and I want everyone else to see that I got the color blue. So I like color blue. So my brother got me these AirPods. Yeah, I like them. There you go. I got the charger that comes with. I mean I bought the charger because it doesn't come with a charger brick anymore. They took that off because they're like trying to like lower down carbon emission, something like that. Then last but not least, the iPhone.
What kind of iPhone?
The latest one, the one that came out like yesterday. The iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Ooh.
Yeah, I got the color blue, as you can see. Whatever color you got is gonna say it right here. As you see, I got the blue, and it says the iPhone logo. I mean not the iPhone, but the iPhone word. It's color blue. That's pretty cool. And usually the iPhone box are bigger, but it's smaller because they don't have the earpiece anymore or the charging brick, because they took that out because they're trying to like be more friendly to the environment. Go ahead, Pat, open it.
Thank you, baby, for the gift.
No, you have to open it because
Yeah, it's okay.
yeah, open it because that's your present to me. No, you gotta look for the yeah, pull it down. Yeah, pull it down.
Open it.
Yeah. That's how you open it.
Slowly.
To do it so tightly.
What do you call that again?
AirPods Pro.
Oh yeah, there's
Like
no.
the second set of AirPods.
Oh, it's the latest one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Open the box. This is what you see, and in the back of the box it has like a preview of what you're gonna get inside. So you have their basic like
It's
set
the-
of instructions,
Okay.
The user manual.
and then you have personalized lettering on the AirPods themselves.
What do you mean? Oh, really?
It has his name on it.
It has his name on it? Oh,
Yeah.
can you see the name? Archie. Gillego. Wow.
Yeah, Missy.
Gonna get doxed.
Cool.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Look what it comes with.
Can you remove the plastic?
Yeah, so that they can see.
It's pretty big compared to the other one.
Oh
It's
yeah,
like wider.
yeah. I hope you guys can see that. Here, Pat, finish up your stuff.
Okay.
There's more stuff in there.
So then you have the wire, the charging wire, the lightning cable to charge the AirPods and their little port.
Oh, and I guess it also comes with like universal tips. Universal tips. So if your ears are like small, or you have a, smaller, big ears, you
Okay.
can do. Oh yeah, go
I'm
ahead.
gonna open. Ooh,
Yes.
here you go, guys. Sweet
I
big
see.
boy. You gotta open them and put them on.
Look how small they are. They're pretty small. Yeah.
Whoa.
And how much is that?
I don't know.
I think-
More than our bank account.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
Thank you, Patrick. Appreciate you, bro.
and we'll put it off to the side.
Okay, so I got the 256 variant or gigabytes variant. A lot of storage, to be honest.
Ooh.
So smooth.
Seems pretty premium,
Put it back like the other time.
Smells good too.
Wait, what? It smells good?
Look at
Ooh.
that.
Wow, the cameras.
Oh,
They like
Pretty
pop out.
3 cameras?
Yeah, it has 3 cameras.
It's like a
Very
it is
glossy,
specifically.
Wow, I really like the color blue, so pretty sexy. to me.
Ooh. He hasn't
It
even
has a-
peeled off the front of it.
Yeah, it has a screen protector.
Okay. Then we move it, huh?
Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty satisfying.
Wow. It's like
Here's the front, I guess.
It's like
Well, everything is still
on
the
the wall.
same, from 10 and up, everything's still the same. The notch on top is still the same, except it's different now. It's like a square type instead of like a round. See? In the box, all you get is just this lightning cable for charging and a user manual. That's all you can get. See? So that's why the box is super small.
Cool.
Yeah.
You gonna touch it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh man.
You're the
Oh,
one who
it's-
bought that.
I like how the walls of it are like reflective.
It has, what's that, 3 cameras? Flash?
Yeah, 3.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a charging brick that comes with it. Because it didn't come with one.
Okay.
Ooh, that is so smooth looking. And we'll just put it
Yeah,
after
Daddy
this one
can
here.
help you
And so-
install the screen protector.
That looks so
Yeah,
nice.
go ahead then. Do your thing.
Like tap it on the phone and then just.
There's
go
a
on the
dirt
phone.
there.
Oh, gotcha. Well, here's the clear case.
From Otter.
Yeah, it has that really good grip on the sides, and I like it a lot.
It's
Oh,
a
hold
really
on.
thick case.
Let's wipe it real quick. It's pretty dusty in there.
I'll do it just in case you drop the phone.
Oh, okay, there we go. I had to force it in there.
Wait, check on the other side. Let me put this on this laser.
So
Ooh.
it's gonna look like.
Yeah, we'll cut it while we're setting it up.
Okay.
It's activating my phone right now. And it says it might take a while. Thank you everyone for watching, and thank you for making my 21st birthday special. I hope you guys stay safe and have a good day. My dad gave me this phone. Thank you, Dad. I love you, Dad.
Love you. So, that's it.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, yeah.
All right.
Okay.